My dear students and other viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to take English second paper class 9. This term there are two assignments. One of them is voice sense, active to passive, and other assignment is formal letter, that is application. So at first I am going to discuss about voice sense and be attentive, and you will get help to write the assignment from this class. So please be attentive and listen to me. At first I will discuss the voice. Voice is a form of a verb which is used to say what subject does or what happens to the subject. Mainly, we have to follow what subject does or what happens to the subject. It is called voice. And there are two kinds of voice, that is active and passive. And I have written here 10 sentences, and all of them are active voice. You have to write, but you have to say is passive voice. So at first I like to say that he writes a letter here. Here he is subject and a letter is object, and it is present in infinite tense. The structure present in infinite tense: subject plus be verb or auxiliary verb plus verb 3 অর্থাৎ ভার্বের past participle form plus preposition plus object according to subject. It is the rules of present indefinite tense. At first I have to write the subject. Here a letter, it is object, it will turn into the subject of this sentence to passive. A letter, at first I will write a letter. A letter, it is third person singular number, so a letter is writes its verb 3 or present participle is written. A letter is written. A letter is written, and here preposition by. A letter is written by subject he, its object him, by him. A letter is written by him. You know that a letter in active voice, it is object, it will turn into the subject. A letter, as auxiliary verb is writes a past participle form written, preposition, subject and object. Here subject he, object by him. In this way, I can write, she sings a song. A song is sung. A song is sung by her. মানে এখানে she object is her. A song is sung by her. In this way, we should turn into or transfer active to passive. I knew her. Both of them were the present indefinite tense, but it is past indefinite tense. So am is are was were. Am is are in past form was were. So her এখানে her হচ্ছে object, আমি এটাকে সাবজেক্ট করে নেব she এখানে নিউ past indefinite tense, তাই এটা হয়ে যাবে was. She was. She was known. No new verb past participle is known. But এখানে একটা ব্যতিক্রম মানে about 97% preposition will be by and there are other preposition that is to, with. In this way we can do the voices. So here it is exceptional, no verb পরে সবসময় to বসে। তো she was known to me, she was known to me, where I subject a object is me, তাহলে she was known to me। It is don't make a noise, it is imperative sentence to change the voice, passive voice in imperative sentence at first it will start let. If it is negative, we will write let not. So it is negative sentence, so at first I will write let not. Let not এখন হচ্ছে object, the let not a noise object এর সাবজেক্ট হয়ে যাবে let not a noise, let not a noise এরপরে সব সময় be বসবে imperative sentence এ সব সময় be বসবে অর্থাৎ let not বা or let এরপরে সাবজেক্ট এরপরে always be verb এবং মূল ভাবে past participle। So let not a noise be made by you এখানে লেখা লাগে না, লেখার দরকার হয় না, because in imperative sentence always subject you is omitted, silent। The do not make a noise, let not a noise be made. In this way take care of your health, it is also the imperative sentence, so it is affirmative sentence, so I will use only let here object your health, here object is your health, so I will write after let the subject, the let your health, let your health according to the imperative sentence I will write be, let your health be taken care of। Taken care of, okay, let your health be taken care of। Let first in imperative sentence let I will use let, then subject always be and mood verb past participle taken care of। In this way please come here, please come here, if any imperative sentence start with please or kindly, it turn into it is requested, it is requested or you are requested। এখানে please come here, of course I mention a man, so you are requested। You are requested to come here। So when an important sentence start with please or kindly, so you have to write you are requested, এরপরে infinitive to verb present form and extension। Then please come here, you are requested to come here। He can help me, in this sentence it is modal auxiliary verb and it is modal auxiliary verb, so to change into passive voice I have to write be after the modal auxiliary, always after modal auxiliary verb you have to use be, and he can help me here, here object is me, so I have to write I, I modal auxiliary can, I can, এরপরে be বসবে, I can be helped, I can be helped by him. In the case of modal auxiliary, of course, it will not change at all. And after modal auxiliary verb, we should use be. I can be helped by him. Number 8, she poisoned herself. It is reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun in the rule of voice sense. রেস্টার্ট আসলো কেন? চলতেছে তাহলে রেস্টার্ট কথা বললেন আসলো না আপনি শুরু করেন আচ্ছা তাহলে কোন জায়গা শেষ হতে Sorry to disturb our electronic device. So I will repeat. Number 6, please come here. If imperative sentence starts with please or kindly, we should read, but we have to read. It is you are requested. You are requested. So please come here. I have to write. You are requested to come here. In this way, next, number 7, he can help me. He can help me. It is modal auxiliary verb. So, in the rules of modal auxiliary verb in the passive voice, we have to write be after modal auxiliary verb. So, here me object, he turned into subject I can be helped by him. Here of their subject he, মানে এটা হয়ে গেল him. Next, she poisoned herself. She poisoned herself. It is reflexive pronoun. According to the rules of the voice, to change the passive, reflexive pronoun will not change. It will not be able to be subject. তাহলে রিফ্লেক্সিভ প্রোনাউন করার সময় সাবজেক্ট হয় না, যে সাবজেক্ট আছে সেই সাবজেক্ট দিয়ে আমাদের শুরু করতে হবে and it is past indefinite tense, so it will be she was poisoned. She was poisoned by herself. She was poisoned by herself. According to these rules, reflexive pronoun will not subject. So, which subject here? I will start with their subjects. Here, subject is she. Here, she is remain, and it is past indefinite tense. So, after she, it will be was, as it is the singular number. She was poisoned by herself. In this way, it is also WS questions. Which pen do you want? So you know that according to the rules of Bayesian, WS question will not say the which pen do you want, the which pen are you wanted, which pen, which pen, when it is present indefinite tense. So which pen are you wanted? Interrogative side. In this case, interrogative side, the government of interrogation will be remain. In this way, who has done this work? Who has done this work? It is also the WS question. So, who, when in active voice, use who, it turn into by whom. By whom, this sentence is present perfect tense. As who has done this work, it is present perfect tense. So in passive voice, will be have been or has been according to structure. So by whom has এরপরে object subject হবে, মানে here this word is object, it will subject and been will sit after that. By whom has the work been, by whom has the work been done, by whom has the work been done. So you know that when WS question will not says to turn into passive voice, in active voice, WS, who is who, and it will not say in passive voice. So in this way, we can do the passive voice. It is a vast matter. Within one or two classes, it is not impossible to complete. The first একটা ধারণা দেওয়া হলো about the voices change into passive, active to passive voice. In this way, we can change active voice to passive voice as the voice is a form of verb which is used to say the what subject does. In this way, we can complete the voices, and it is the first assignment of class 9, the next assignment. And in this way, you can get help from this and by the help of text books, which provided by the Ministry of Education. Next assignment is formal letter, that is applications. There is an application to write. Here the question, write an application to your head teacher to arrange safe drinking water for the students. So it is the questions. Of course, there provides your name. Of course, you will use this your name according to the questions. You will not write your name. So you have to write the name which in the questions, which name is arranged in the question. So here write an application to your head teacher to arrange safe drinking water for the students. I will write, I will say about this, and dear students, you can get the help from this from my lecture. In this way, you can complete the coming assignment. At first, you have to write, especially in the formal letter, date. When you will use date, write date. Then two is needed to write date. The teacher dash high school, X high school, this school will be according to the questions that the head teacher dash high school Dhaka. Next subject. You can write an application or prayer. You can write also in this place prayer for अथवा an application for arranging safe drinking water. When you will use for, of course, as you will add after verb. So an application for arranging safe drinking water. Next, dear sir or sir, you can write sir. Where a name will be mentioned in the question at this in this sector, in this case you can write I the students of your dash high school, and I am going to state that our school is a large and renowned school in Dhaka city. There are about 5,000 students, and most of the students come from a long distance, so they have to take their tiffin. Sometimes they have to have lunch, and most of the time they do not get safe drinking water and hygiene food. Especially most of the students suffer from the lack of safe drinking water, so they suffer from various waterborne diseases like diarrhea, cholera, etc. In this way, you can write. So within short time, we need a safe source of safe drinking water. It may two ways. Number one, sinking a deep tube well, or providing safe drinking water, or a filtering system, arranging a filtering system. In this way, a school can supply your safe drinking water. Next, I pray and hope that you would be enough time to grant our prayer and arrange or ensure the safe drinking water. Yours obediently. তারপরে নাম দেওয়া থাকলে তোমার নাম ব্যবহার করবে। On behalf of the students of Dash High School, whose name you will refer here. In this way, you can write an application to the headmaster for arranging safe drinking water. You can go two ways to get drinking water or safe drinking water. Either sink a deep tube well, or arranging a filtering system, or providing safe drinking water. In this way, you can write this formal letter, which is provided by Ministry of Education. So you can get help to write the next assignment in this way. Thank you very much to have my classes. May Allah bless you. Assalamu alaikum.